Hello students, now today we discuss the question number 4. Question number 4 is ABCD is parallelogram and BC is produced to a point Q such that AD equal to CQ. If AQ intersect DC at P so that area of BPC equal to area of DPQ. Now the figure one has the parallelogram ABCD, A, B, C and D. One has a triangle, Q. The line joining A to Q intersect DC at P. Now join P to B and A to C. Clear? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. BC is produced to a point Q such that AD equal to CQ. AD equal to CQ. If AQ intersect DC at P so that area BPC equal to CDQ. Clear? ABCD is a parallelogram. AD parallel BC. Question number 4. ABCD is parallelogram. AD parallel BC and AB parallel DC. AD parallel BC and AB parallel BC. Triangle APC and triangle BPC and triangle APC are laying on the same base PC. Triangle APC and triangle BPC on base PC between parallel line PC and AB. Between parallel line PC and AB. Between PC and AB, area of APC area of APC equal to area of BPC. That is first. Area of BPC. In quadrilateral ACDQ, ACDQ, ACQD, ACQD, AC equal to D, AC equal to DQ, AC equal to CQ, AC equal to CQ. AC equal to CQ. ABCD is parallelogram. In quadrilateral ACQD, in quadrilateral ACQD, AC equal to CQ. Then ABCD is parallelogram. AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC. CQ is a line. CQ is a line segment which is obtained when line segment BC is produced. CQ is a line segment which is obtained when line segment BC is produced. So AD parallel to CQ, AD parallel to CQ, and AC equal to DQ, AC equal to DQ. So ACQD is parallelogram. ACDQ is parallelogram. In quadrilateral ACQD, AC equal to DQ, and AD equal to CQ. AD parallel to CQ, AD parallel to CQ. Therefore ACQD is parallelogram. ACDQ is parallelogram. Triangle DCQ and triangle ACQ on the same base CQ. Triangle DQC, triangle DCQ and triangle AQC on base QC, on base QC, and between parallel line, and between parallel line and between parallel line CQ and AD, CQ and AD, CQ and AD. area BCQ equal area AQC. DCQ minus PQC, DCQ minus PQC और ACQ minus PQC, that area DPQ equal to area APC. Area DCQ minus area PQC, area AQC minus area PQC, area PQC, area PQC, that's equal to area DPQ equal to area APC, that is second. From 1 and 2, from first and second, area BPC equal to area DPQ, क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, डायगोनल AC ACBD, diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at P. The diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at P, so that area APB into area CPD equal to area APD into area PBC. In this question, first we draw the perpendicular from A and BD. And C N. AM perpendicular to BD and CN perpendicular to BD. AM perpendicular to BD and CN perpendicular to BD. Area of triangle. Area of triangle 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base into height. Area APB. Area APB. Area APB into area CPD. CPD equal to 1/2 BP into AM. BP into AM into 1/2 PD into CN. PD into CN. And area APD into area BPC 1/2 PD into AM. PD into AM into 1/2 CN into BP. That's equal to 1/4 into BB AM PD into CN. So therefore area APB into area CPD equal to area APD into area BPC. क्लियर है? ओके, थैंक यू.